Once upon a sunny Father's Day, a man named Norman woke up to the smell of pancakes wafting through the air. He stretched and smiled, knowing today was a special day. His 3 sons, Giffy, Melvin, and Karen, had promised him a surprise. As Norman shuffled into the kitchen, he was greeted by a sight that made his heart fill with joy. Giffy was flipping pancakes, Melvin was setting the table, and Karen was carefully arranging fresh fruit into a smiley face on a platter. Meanwhile, his daughter, Moy, was sneaking in a little bouquet of wildflowers she had picked in the garden. "Happy Father's Day, Dad!" they all shouted in unison, their faces beaming with excitement. Norman's eyes sparkled with joy as he took in the scene, feeling truly loved by his wonderful children. After a delicious breakfast filled with laughter and stories, the kids announced their main gift, a handmade card that Moy had crafted herself. As Norman opened the colorful card, he was touched by their heartfelt messages. Each child had written something special, reminding him just how much he meant to them. As they all gathered around him for a group hug, Norman felt an overwhelming wave of gratitude and love. In that moment, he realized that the best gift of all was the bond they shared, a bond built on laughter, love, and many cherished memories. "Thank you, my amazing kids," he said, pulling them in tighter. "You make every day feel like Father's Day." And with that, they all laughed, knowing that this day was just one of many days filled with love shared as a family.